Hello everyone, welcome to the third lecture of this crash course for your PMP certification exam. So if you are into project management and you are planning to write the PMP certification exam over the next few months, this free course on YouTube will equip you with all the basic details that you need to know about the PMP certification exam. So this is a series of 14 lectures and you can view all the 14 lectures of this crash course through the link here or through the link in the description section of this video. So make sure you do not miss any of these lectures of this free course on YouTube. I am Ray, a PMP certified project manager, and I have helped thousands of PMP aspirants like you to prepare for the PMP exam efficiently and pass it on their very first attempt. You can refer to my reviews on Udemy or the mentions on my LinkedIn profile. Now please note that this course is an abridged version of my full 35-hour training course on PMP exam that is available on Udemy. So if you like this mini version, please make sure you check out the entire course that is available on Udemy. The link will be in the description section of this video as well. So this video is the third of the 14 lessons of this free course, and in this video we'll talk about a very important word of caution that you need to know as a PMP aspirant who is just setting off to prepare for the PMP exam. In this lecture, let's talk about a word of caution before you embark on your journey of PMP certification. So many PMP aspirants guys start the PMP certification exam preparation with some very wrong expectations in mind, and later they end up in very bad situations in their careers in spite of having this certification. Okay, so let's talk why that is the case very often. Right, so you will get benefited by the certification only if you are aware of the following guys. Okay, number one, you apply the knowledge of the certification and its best practices in your industry. Project management is not a theoretical skill guys, it is a practical one, and all the theory which you will study will be of no use unless you put it in action in your professional life. Number two, you develop yourself overall as a project manager. Very important. I hope you understand guys that a certification is only a validation of your skill set. Okay, if you do not practice your skills, you will start losing the shine very soon and stop seeing growth in your career. Okay, so it is extremely crucial to keep on developing your skills and abilities as a good project manager even after your PMP certification. Next, you need to maintain your PMP certification guys. Okay, the PMP has a 3-year validity and it needs to be renewed with 60 PDUs or professional development units every 3 years. So make sure you take a note of that now. It is not uncommon of project managers losing their PMP certification just by being careless and not renewing the certification on time. And final and the most important tip guys, you need to understand people management as good as or even better than project management. Okay, very important. Project management is a people's science guys. Okay, Excel sheets, Kanban boards, etc. really does not do projects for you on the field, right? It is the members in your team who work for you to make your project successful on the field. Okay, so you need to keep your team motivated, energized and positive as a project manager to make the project a big success. And that's where lies the core skill and capability of a good project manager. Okay, a good project manager is more of a people's manager rather than only managing some Excel sheets or some Kanban boards or some Microsoft project files. Okay, and lastly guys, do not consider the PMP certification as a ticket to a higher paycheck. This is the worst mistake you can do when you are starting your journey of PMP certification. So always focus on being a good project manager guys. Okay, your promotion, your progression, raise in your salary will follow suit. Okay, trust me on that. I wish you all the best for your PMP exam preparation. Let me know in the comment section below if you are finding this course helpful for your PMP exam preparation. Okay, and now with that, let's move on to the next lecture.